and seek, but with only 3 crazy gorillas. Okay, go.
No, we're playing monkey on the shelf.
Well, monkey on the shelf.
Okay.
You need a gun on the shelf.
Alright. I'm removing.
Okay.
I'm gonna remove this. All of this.
Let me go sweaty mode. Wait, can we touch this?
Well, since I removed all of this, then you can't. Okay. Okay. You won. Alright, pretty easy round. Everyone get back to the shelf.
And this time when you get tagged, you don't even have to restart. Because you can just tag people easily. Just boom. What are you deleting?
That. Just
No, but you deleted. Oh, wait, let me just see something. Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Done
yeah.
in a flash.
I know what I'm removing next. Let me just think.
Oh, just tag him back. That's fine. It's easy. Wait, does he want to be it? He wants to be it.
Okay.
No. What do you do? Okay. Monkey. Oh my god, I'm about to fall. Oh my god.
Hey, I didn't touch the floor.
Bang! Easy. Bruh. Wait, guys, look. If you look here, there's like cracks right here. And you can see that. Look, I filled my hand through. See? It's not filled with shiny rocks. You see my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, he wants to be.
Alright, what are you removing next?
And you can delete this if you want. You can.
Technically,
That? He's deleting this? Okay.
Okay, we could just go same route then.
Skip the toilet razor.
Skibidi toilet whistler.
Oh!
I already won.
Come on. Guys, it's not that crazy because we don't have that much people, but it's, hey, still. Okay, he's deleting that wall. So we can actually,
Okay.
Wait, are you deleting this wall or this? Okay, the wall. We can still touch that though.
Okay. Alright.
I'm gonna go risky. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm barely on it. My hand was like this.
I don't know where you're gonna go from. See, you lost.
Me?
Wait, we lost. We all lost. You touched the wall.
No, I touched this. No, I touched this wall. And then I touched this, look.
He was like this.
No, I touched this.
He was like this, and then you touched the wall.
Oh! Well then, do you want to beat again? Do you?
Do you want to beat again? Well, to be fair, he is the one who got lost first.
Do you want me to tag y'all?
Alright. No.
Okay. I'm deleting you. I'm gonna delete. I'm deleting Mirror's floor.
Mirror floor?
Yeah.
So we have to get the mirror? Is that it?
Yeah, without touching Mirror's floor. Look, come here. You can touch the ground right now if you want. Like, look, you cannot touch this.
Alright.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Sorry, I ran into you.
Let me tag that. Alright, move. Then I'm gonna go right here.
Isn't it pretty harder now?
Okay. I did it. I did it.
Father, I'm a criminal. A criminal.
Alright, what are you moving now?
Okay, next I'm removing this. Well, basically this wall. Well, like these walls.
Okay.
That's what
Okay,
I'm
good.
deleting.
Easy. Easy. Easy.
Okay, go back. I hope this isn't boring for you guys, because we barely have any people. But also, if I got more people, I would have to go to bed, because I have a dad. Unlike,
Alright.
okay, now you cannot touch this.
Okay, but.
Hey, I deleted these walls. Remember?
No, you deleted those walls.
Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna go here. Here. It's a bit of a long jump, but. Okay. Move! 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 Alright, you do what? I made it! I made it! Whoop, and then you deleted mirror floors. Easy! Easy! Come on, charge it. Alright,
oh, thank you.
he wants to be it now?
Yeah. Let's go. It restarted. What are you deleting?
Hold on, y'all. I gotta get my charger real quick.
This? Huh?
What did he delete? What did he delete?
What? I don't know. Oh, he's doing the same thing. You cannot touch this floor. Wait, you cannot touch this? Okay, you cannot touch that. That should be super easy.
Okay. What?
I
Monkey
didn't
walk.
touch the ground. Totally not.
Monkey walk. Y'all gotta
Hey,
go,
why are
my
you
headset's
trying to
gonna die.
tag me?
I gotta go. My headset's gonna die.
Yeah.
Alright, bye everyone.
Yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I know it's kind of boring because barely any people, but peace. Bye-bye. Yeah, 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 yeah.